Good day, guys. It's your boy Cardinal Pekin. Today I just want to show you a video on how to make withdrawal, how to actually sell your Bitcoin on Luno wallet, and then make withdrawal back to your um, bank account. Now you can see here. Well, from this place, if you want to make a sell, all you need to do is just click on this order book. Now this is the price that sellers are willing to sell on this side. That's the right hand side, and then on the left hand side you have the price at which buyers are willing to buy. So all you need to do is to click the lowest price in which sellers are willing to sell. You can actually decide to fix your own price, but this is what to do if you want to sell on time. Then you now shift back to this sell side, which is on your right. Then you enter the amount of BTC you want to sell. Let's say you want to sell 0.0025 Bitcoin, which should give you around 10,355 naira on the current price. Look at the amount here, the lowest amount here by your right hand side. So that is it. All you need to do, you see, using this exchange, you are now selling at zero fees. Look at the estimated fees is zero. So all you need to do is to click on this place order, click on place order, and then you enter your PIN so that it validates your sell order. And immediately this sell order is filled, it means someone somewhere has purchased your Bitcoin. You will see the amount in the value in Naira will now be, look at your Bitcoin value, your Bitcoin total amount will reduce, and then you will now see the amount at which you sell that Bitcoin in your Naira wallet. So you can see, like the one I just sell, I sold 0.0025 worth of Bitcoin for 10,357 naira. So if you want to make withdrawal, you click on that your Naira wallet, click on withdrawal. Already I've saved my Diamond Bank and my First Bank already here. So all I need to do is to click on First Bank. I want to make withdrawal to my First Bank account. Click on Max to withdraw the whole amount, which is in Bitcoin is around 0.0025. Click on Next. Optional message, no, I don't want to put any optional message. Confirm. A withdrawal fee of 200 naira will be deducted from the amount, so I should be expecting 10,157 naira instead of 10,357 naira. Click on confirm, and then I enter my PIN. I'll enter my PIN to confirm. Immediately I enter my PIN, it shows mission success, confirm to withdraw, and I enter done. That's all. You see, the money is no longer, the money will leave this my account. Let me go to see a pending withdrawal. You can see it here, a pending withdrawal which I've sent to my First Bank account. So I'm expecting withdrawal of so amount. I can decide to cancel the transaction, but since I'm expecting it, so I wait for it. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe, click the like button, comment, and don't forget to turn on the post notifications so that you get notified each time I drop